Welcome to the discussion on All India Open Prelims mock test conducted by Ekam IAS. Here we will be discussing the international relations related questions from the Open Prelims mock test. First question was with respect to ICJ or the International Court of Justice. Let us discuss these questions one by one. So the question was something like this with reference to ICJ. Consider the following statements. The first statement was, it is the principal judicial organ of the UN. That, as we all know, is obviously true. Then the seat of this court is in Hague, Netherlands. Again, that is true. With respect to the International Court of Justice, the location of it is very important. It is due to the fact that International Court of Justice is the only one of the main organs of the UN, or the principal organs of the UN, which is not located in New York, USA. The International Court of Justice is situated at the Peace Palace in The Hague in Netherlands. Then our third option, the judges of the court are elected by the executive committee of the ICJ. This is wrong. So our correct answer is option C, 1 and 2 only. Now let us have a look at various important prelims related facts with respect to this International Court of Justice. So this is the Peace Palace in The Hague in Netherlands. This is where the International Court of Justice as well as the Permanent Court of Arbitration, or PCA, is located. Then the ICJ, the most important fact about ICJ is that it is the principal judicial organ of the United Nations, as well as it is the only one of the 6 principal organs of the UN which is not at all located on New York, USA. Then ICJ was established in 1945 as per the Charter of the United Nations. And now with respect to our third option, what we need to note down is that the 15 judges in ICJ are elected for 9-year terms of office from the or by the UN General Assembly as well as the UN Security Council. And now this is very important when we think about it from the point of view of the recent election of India's nominee, Justice Dalveer Bhandari, as a judge in the International Court of Justice. So there was a competition between Justice Dalveer Bhandari as well as the nominee of the United Kingdom. And India was getting most of the votes from the UN General Assembly, whereas the British nominee was getting most of the vote from the UN Security Council. So there was a problem in that election, but finally the UK withdrew its candidate, and that is how Justice Dalveer Bhandari was re-elected. So remember this, ICJ judges are elected by the UN General Assembly as well as the UN Security Council.